Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So our group will be presenting about drawing. Our group consists of 3 members, that is NOOR, FAZLEEN, BINTI, MOHAMAD, FAUZI, 2020456196 as the editor, NOOR, NAJIIHAH, BINTI, SHAHIMI, 2020608024 and SITI, NOOR, NAJWA, BINTI, ARMAN, 2020495348. So next we'll be moving on to the presentation.
Now, let us look at the definition of drying. What is drying? First of all, drying is defined as a process of mass transfer that consists of the removal of water from an object in order to ensure the longevity of the object. In other words, drying is also described as a process that involves the removal of water or other liquids from a solution, suspension, or other solid liquid mixture to form a dry solid. There are many types of drying equipment, such as sun drying, tray drying, tunnel drying, roller or drum drying, fluidized bed drying, spray drying, pneumatic drying, rotary drying, tuff drying, belt drying, vacuum drying, freeze drying.
The definition of freeze drying is the removal of ice or other frozen solvents from a material through the process of sublimation and the removal of bound water molecules through the process of desorption. The basic principle of equipment require 3 stages, which are freezing, primary drying, and secondary drying. Firstly is freezing phase. Freezing is the most important step in freeze drying, and it has a variety of ways. For example, freeze dryer, in a freezer, or in a cool bath. Secondly is the primary drying. Primary drying is the second phase of freeze drying in which the pressure is reduced and heat is applied to the material to cause the water to sublimate. Secondary drying. In this secondary drying, the ionically bound water molecules are eliminated. The main components of freeze drying equipment are refrigeration system, vacuum system, control system, product chamber or manifold condenser. The limitation of freeze dryer. Silicone oil leakage. Cause. Firstly is silicone oil leakage. Silicone oil leakage is the common fluid that is used to heat or cool shelf in the freeze dryer. So, silicone oil leakage can contaminate the food product leading to a major loss. Next is cost. The cost of freeze dryer is about 5 times more expensive than conventional drying methods. It makes this method is not an ideal choice if the value of the product is not increased after processing.
Now, let us look at the specific application of freeze drying on pharmaceutical industry and food industry. Pharmaceutical industry. First of all, freeze drying is important in pharmaceutical industry to increase the shelf life of the products, such as vaccines and injectables. Other than that, freeze-drying product can be easily stored, shipped, and reconstituted into its original form for injection. Food industry. In food industry, freeze-drying is a method of preserving food to produce a lightweight product. Other than that, freeze-drying is important to prevent the growth of microorganisms and maintain the longevity of food. One of the popular of freeze-drying product in food industry is dried ice cream.
That is it from us. Thank you for listening.